Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you several ways how you can add a star symbol or icon to your documents and spreadsheets on Google Sheets. So let us get started right away. Alright guys, so the first option would be to select your cell or the range of cells where you'd like to place your star icon or symbol at. And after that, simply head over to Insert here at the top, and from the drop-down menu, select or hover your mouse over Smart Chips here. And select rating from the drop-down menu. For example, if you'd like to add a rating list to your document like that. So for example, if you'd like to rate that row here or that value, simply left click on the given cell and select the amount of stars you would like to assign for that rating or review, like 4 stars. After that, go with 2 stars, and so on and so forth, cell after cell. So that's one option. Alternatively, guys, let me just undo the last actions really quickly. The second option would be to simply add a star symbol through the emoji feature here on Google Sheets. To do that, select the given cell again, head over to Insert here at the top, and head over to emoji here from the drop-down menu. After that, use the search bar here at the top and type star, just like that, and use the star you'd like to add. Like for example, let me go with that one here. And there you go. As you can see now, the star icon has been added. Now you can copy it, paste it, or add several of them to your cells, and so on and so forth, guys. So that's the second option. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time.